Hello YouTube. In this tutorial, which is intended for pure beginners, I mean really newbies, we're gonna learn how to read textual file using for loop. Really simple stuff for beginners. Okay, so our file will be random file, textual file, which is full of this mess. Okay, lorem ipsum mess. But that's not important, the operation is important. Okay, so we're gonna use file as handle, open, two arguments for open, name of file, random file txt, and mode of operation will be R for reading. Now, normally you're gonna do something like print file read, and result will be this, and that's cool, that's fine, that will get the job done. But maybe you will need sometimes, just for testing purposes, something like this. For x in file, print that specific x, and let's run our script, and the result will be this. It will not be absolutely same, but it's good to know that you can apply it. Maybe you're gonna need, maybe yes, maybe no, but it's important to know that there is. Now, of course, you can use something with more sense to you, like for that specific line in file, you can print that line, or you can do something else, like you can even copy this file to another file using for loop. For example, we're gonna create new file, backup, which will be backup txt, and we're gonna write to it. So check this out. For x in file, we will write to backup that specific x, and when we run our scripts, yeah, of course I need to close close our files. So close, sorry, file close, and backup close, and now the thing will work. You will see actual results, run module, and that's about it. Let's check our results. What is with original file, random file? Nothing is there, content is there, everything is fine. But if you go to backup, you have also same content. So, you know, maybe you can find some use for this. Sooner or later you're gonna do something like that, but as I said, this is for complete beginners. Okay, so anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in next tutorials.